Okay, Mike, so this is what I have. I have a Monoprice Maker Select Plus with the touch panel. Um, if you look at the model number, I labeled it old in orange there, but you can see the DMT 4827, all that. Matches the one on the new board that you guys sent me, and then also where the connector comes in to the board. If you look at the voltages, the plus fives, and everything, all that matches for the connection. The one thing I did notice is on the old board, the lock. The lock for the connection is on the back side, so it's a little bit different. You see the black tabs on the back, but on the new board, if you look here, the tabs on the front, right? But all the plus five, everything is in the same spot, see? So I have the old board connected, and when I turn it, oh here, let's tip it up so we can see it. When I turn it on, this is what I get. So it's booting right up. See, it's got the Monoprice firmware on there, and I'm thinking that's probably the problem, is I need to flash it with a new firmware. So then here's my issue. You see that when I hit, like back, it pushes, it's just not functioning anymore like it should. And I'm pretty sure it's because I got glue on it from spraying the bed and everything, and then I tried to clean it and it just screwed it up. So anyway, let me stop the video now. I will plug in the new panel that I received from you guys, and then I'll record what happens when I turn it on then, okay?